Welcome, in this video I will show you how to fix the no access to Rift Anchor issue in the game Once Human. First, you need to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Rift anchors require a consistent connection to function properly, so make sure your device is connected to a strong and reliable network. If your internet connection is not the issue, try restarting the game. This will close the game completely and relaunch it, refreshing the connection to the server. Doing this can potentially resolve any temporary glitches that might be causing the error. Another solution is to verify the integrity of your game files. If you are on Steam, you can do this by right-clicking on Once Human in your game library. Select Properties, then go to Local Files, and finally choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will scan for any corrupted or missing game files and automatically attempt to repair them. Should these steps prove ineffective, you might have to reinstall the game. Uninstalling and then reinstalling Once Human ensures a clean installation, which can potentially fix any underlying software conflicts that might be causing the no access to Rift Anchor problem. If you've tried all of the above and are still encountering the issue, it's time to reach out to the developers of Once Human. They will be able to provide further assistance and troubleshoot the problem specifically for your situation. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.